Mentor's Deep Dive Explanation, AI Model, Cost vs Quality Score. Video model by Pradeep Suri. Direct hit purpose of the video. This animated video aims to bridge the relationship between project cost, in INR, and quality score, out of 100, in an enterprise environment. By dynamically visualizing both cost and quality on the same graph, the video trains mentors and decision makers to evaluate project performance trade-offs more intuitively. Brain Core Learning Objectives. 1. Correlation awareness, demonstrate whether increased cost translates into improved quality. 2. Prioritization skills, help viewers assess which projects yield high quality at lower or optimized costs. 3. Balanced decision making, introduce visual analytics for real-world decisions like vendor selection, project approvals, and resource allocation. Bar chart graphical interpretation. Bar chart, cyan represents cost in INR for each project. Line chart, white or colored line represents the quality score, plotted above the bars. Animation frames, each frame adds one project sequentially, training the mind to absorb comparative performance progressively. Data breakdown. Sample projects like P34, P48, P30, etc. show varying investment levels. Distinct quality scores achieved. Example: P34 might show INR 105,658 with a quality score of 93.78. P16 could show a higher cost but lower score, triggering discussion on ROI. Mentorship angles for AI/ERP professionals. 1. ERP project review boards. Use this visualization to present post-implementation evaluations. 2. Vendor appraisal and selection. Filter vendors who consistently deliver high quality within optimal costs. 3. AI integration. This model is a precursor to supervised learning, where X equals cost, and Y equals quality. Maths and AI perspective. Regression insight, the relationship between cost and quality can be fitted into a linear regression or nonlinear model. Optimization, mentors can introduce cost minimization with quality constraints. Branch of math, applied statistics, linear algebra, and optimization techniques. Suggested improvements for learners. Add a trend line to detect correlation. Include variance indicators or error margins. Extend to show forecasted values using ML. Mentor's closing note. This video is a powerful mentorship tool for discussing real-life dilemmas in project execution. Is more always better? Can we achieve excellence within budget? By embedding animated learning and interactive visuals, this content fosters critical thinking in next-gen AI/ERP professionals. Thanks, note, from the Mentor's desk. Thank you for watching this insightful video on cost vs quality score, thoughtfully designed to elevate decision-making in AI-driven ERP environments. We hope this visual journey helped you understand the delicate balance between cost efficiency and quality outcomes, a key concern in real-world project evaluations. As mentors and learners navigating complex data landscapes, always remember: smart decisions aren't about spending more, they're about spending right. The designer, Pradeep Suri, this powerful model that blends animation, analytics, and applied learning. Stay curious, stay analytical, and keep transforming data into decisions. Thanks for watching the video.